thought you might be interested in this today. This is just one of the standard kitchen cupboards, and over time what's happened is that the little screws that go into these areas here have just become loose, and I've been tightening them. They've just been coming off again, and eventually you can see what's happened is the whole screws came out and ripped out the chipboard. So this would normally mean taking out this cupboard completely out and just replacing it with a new carcass. However, I came across this bracket which you can get from Screwfix called a Hafele bracket, H-A-F-E-L-E bracket, and you bind this little metal plate which screws in, as you can see, into here, here, here and here, and over here you get a new metal insert which holds everything together. So rather than changing the whole cupboard, what you can do is just buy this Hafele bracket and place it in. It's about £2 or something like that. It's not a lot, and that's what I would recommend. So little trick I found: a Hafele bracket, great for repairing cupboards where the holes on your carcass have just become large and unusable.